If you have enough clay, I'm going to even show a little trick here. Just going to blend this in here. Just to make sure we have enough. A little patchwork here. Just going to take my rib here, squish it down. Now, I think we have enough room, so now I'm going to flip it over. Then I can add in some more clay to the parts that are on this side. Alright, so now we're going to compress this slab with a rib. I'm going to make the ridge in there. This is the 12.5 and 11, so it's kind of a big one. Now we're just going to drape this over top, trying to get as centered as possible. We're going to gently push these edges down here. Edge down. It's all connected. And I can lift up here to see if that form is shifted. And it's pretty good, in good shape, so I don't have to move it. Now I'll take my rib here. And press the top here. Same thing if you want to add that little fun thing on the back here, we can just add that to it. I can take my roller here. So now what I can do is soften that, make a line, make it have a little more life to it. Now I can lift from below here. Just give me a little more height. I'm going to put it on this bowl here. And I'm just going to go. That little pie plate, gonna make this little pie plate.